Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 47 in Electricity, Demystified 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, the question appears on page 331. Imagine that someone shoots a steady stream of electrons in a straight line directly at your face. Well, okay, not your face. My face. My face. I don't want to insult you by making you look really weird like this, but that's what I feel like right about now, especially the hair. Anyway, suppose that an electron beam comes right at your face. If you could see the magnetic flux produced by that stream of electrons, what would it look like? Well, the first thing you need to realize here is that electron flow is exactly in opposition to conventional current. Electron flow goes from minus to plus because electrons have a negative charge, but the conventional current goes away from your face. Exactly opposite. Now, the way that you determine the orientation of the magnetic flux around this straight line current is going to look like circles. And I'm drawing them in perspective here. They're going to look like circles, and you're going to see circles around a central point. They look like ellipses here because of perspective, but what you're going to see is circular lines of flux. Now that leaves us with choice C or E. Which way do they revolve? Clockwise or counterclockwise? Well, with conventional current, you can use the so-called right-hand rule. Let your thumb point in the direction of the current, and let your fingers curl as I'm doing right here, and that is the way that the flux will flow. So the flux is going to appear to flow in concentric rings revolving clockwise around a central point. The central point, presuming that the beam is right at your face or at your eyes, is going to look like a dot. Bright dot. You've got special glasses on here to keep the electrons from frying your retinas out. And it's going to appear to revolve clockwise. So the answer to this question is C.